Hey guys, welcome to my fall capsule wardrobe for 2020. Now the purpose of a capsule wardrobe is to maximize wearability and outfit options with minimal but intentional clothing items. This season I have 13 different items with over 50 different outfit options. I hope you enjoy it. And as always, I will link everything that I have shared down below for your perusing afterwards. So let's get into it. Starting with tops, I have a white long sleeve Henley. This is a cooler temperature alternative to your classic white tee. It's stretchy and ribbed for comfort, and I also love the details on the buttons. It was from Old Navy and was $12, so a really affordable capsule piece. Next, I have a black ribbed turtleneck from Everlane. It is thin and ribbed. It's actually a bodysuit, which I love. It cuts down on bulk and makes it perfect for a layering piece. I can easily dress this up for dressier occasions or keep it super casual. Third, I have this purple crewneck sweater. Now, if you are larger chested and prefer V-necks, then do that. It's just the idea of having this lightweight sweater to work with. Fourth, I have this neutral colored blouse. It has a little bit of texture, a little bit of pattern. I love that I can dress it up or down, and it's gonna be super versatile. Next, I have two dresses that are staples in a capsule wardrobe. The first is a black sweater dress. Obviously, it can act as a dress with tights or without, but it can also be tucked and turned into a sweater. So many good layering options with this one piece. The next dress I have is a tiered floral dress. This one is from H&M and is a perfect layering piece with leather jackets or blazers. You could also throw on a sweater on top and treat it like a skirt. Next, let's move on to bottoms. I like to have a good mix of pants and skirts to work with. Number 7, I have a slip skirt. These are very current right now and very beautiful. They're also really easy to dress up with a blouse and a jacket or down with a sweater and sneakers. Number 8, I have jeans, just our good old blue jeans. I prefer a more relaxed jean. Here I have a medium wash, high-rise mom jean from H&M, but you should choose a pair of jeans that look really good on you and your body. For number 9, I have a pair of plaid trousers. I love plaid for the fall. It's nice to have another pant option that isn't denim. These are a nice classic neutral pattern, which leads me into my next section, outerwear. Number 10, I have a plaid blazer. It is dressy and professional. It's also the matching top to my plaid trousers. This set is from H&M and I am blown away by the quality and the price. The entire set is under $100. They look so good together as a set, but can also be worn as separates. Number 11, I have a long oatmeal colored cardigan. It is my go-to layering piece. Obviously, it's gonna look great on a casual day, but it's also gonna look beautiful with a dress or trousers. Number 12, I have a black leather jacket. Such a staple for a fall wardrobe, especially for those chillier days and nights. A black moto style leather jacket is a classic piece that is worth the investment, ladies. You are going to have it for years and years. The last and final piece to my fall capsule wardrobe is a pair of neutral booties. By keeping them neutral, you'll be able to mix them with jeans, trousers, skirts, and dresses. Even though these ones have a heel, they are so comfortable, I could run around in them all day. Now, if you are working with a fabric like suede, do not forget to spray them. I will link my tried and true suede spray down below to protect your shoes. Lastly, let's go over the basic colors that I use for my fall capsule wardrobe. I first start with my basic foundational colors. That is your white and ivory, a black, a camel, and a denim. Next, I layer in my accent colors and patterns. This season, I went with a pop of purple, browns, and warmer neutrals. I also added in plaid and florals. Even though they're all different prints, they pull similar colors from each other. And the patterns are all different scales, so they're not competing with each other for attention. So that is this season's capsule wardrobe. I hope it was helpful and informative in helping you create your fall capsule wardrobe. Here are all of the outfit combinations that you can make from those 13 pieces. As always, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I hope you enjoy. you.